Welcome to the E-Cooking Show. And tonight I'm gonna make some ground turkey meat. I'm gonna add some mushrooms to it. I'm gonna stuff it with mushrooms, some bell pepper, and some onions, and some red bell pepper. And then I'm gonna actually add some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese in there as well. Great value. And then my Campbell's soup, cream of mushroom. And then I'm gonna add Tony's Ceteris brown gravy, which I mix that in there to give it like a brownish, like gravy taste. So it can kind of taste like, I'm gonna say beef to me. And then I'm adding my favorite seasoning, but you can add whatever seasoning you want, but I love the sausage link, so shout out to them as usual. And so I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna take my ground turkey meat, put it in a bowl, and I'm gonna mix all my sides in there, which I've chopped up, which is my onion, my bell pepper, and my mushrooms. And then I'm gonna add a little of the Tony's Ceteris. This is a brown gravy mix. Ooh, okay, it's not coming out. Okay, and I'm gonna shake just a little of it on there, not a whole lot. And then I'm gonna take all my, like I said, all my little vegetables and stick them in there and mix up my meat. Okay. And I'm gonna make them into patties. And then once I cook them, I'm gonna get ready to add them into my skillet over there. But you can cook them on the stove as well. It's whatever way you wanna cook them. And they don't take that long. And then once they get ready, once I finish them, then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add my cream of mushroom soup, which I love. Campbell's is actually the best. I normally don't go GV on that because I like the Campbell's brand. And I'm gonna show you just what a good gravy that soup makes. I love using soups for gravies. They really make a really good gravy when you're topping off your meat. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you how to take it and shape it round. But first, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna take one of them and flatten it out first. And then take my cheese. So I'm gonna stuff it with some cheese. And I'll probably put about 3 cheeses in one. And take it and stick it in there. And actually, yeah, 3 should be enough. And then go back and take it and fold it. Fold it in, close it in, close it up. And there you go, you're gonna make it nice and round. Almost like making a hamburger patty. Okay, and there you go. There's one ready now. Now I'm just to make a couple more. Halfway done. Inexpensive meal. And a soup. Once your meat is almost ready, put your cream of mushroom soup in there. And then sometimes I like to add some white cheese and some yellow cheese to mine. So just something else to make it nice and goody and yummy for your belly. I didn't put that at the beginning of my video, but sometimes I do add cheese to mine, so excuse me for that. And it's almost ready. See how that soup? Good. Another good gravy. And another inexpensive meal.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, so this is the finished product. I took some cheese, and you can take some cheese if you want to put it on the top of the ground turkey patties, stuffed with mushrooms and bell pepper and onion, and then I put the cube cheese in there as well. But it makes for a really, really good meal. And look at my finished product. You have a thick, creamy, the soup tastes so good. It's such a good gravy on top of the ground turkey patties. And so this is my finished product, and I'm eating a sweet potato with mine, but you can pick whatever vegetable or whatever you like your side to be to go with yours as well. But this is a very simple, inexpensive dish, and it's just ground turkey that you shape it just like a hamburger and stuff it with your vegetables, whatever choice that you want to, and whatever seasoning you like. Hope you enjoy. Come back again next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.